Hey guys, Jamie here from Pinetree Line Productions. I got a fun one for you today. I'm going to be doing pizza on the Blackstone. Never done it before, never put it together. Actually, this is the first time I've ever made a homemade pizza. Years ago, when I was younger, I worked in a pizzeria. Pizza crust. I already browned up the pepperoni ahead of time, Spanish onion, and the mushrooms. Let's get after it, guys. First off, we're gonna start with some Unico pizza sauce. Put some of that down in there. Spread it around. Put some matzo on her. Try not to make too big of a mess here. Now I'm filming inside today because outside is cold and windy, and unfortunately guys, I'm running this off my GoPro. Doug's not around. He's usually the one that takes care of a lot of part. We're gonna throw some pepperoni down on her. Now the reason why I browned up the pepperoni, mushrooms, and onions ahead of time, guys, is because the Blackstone, I've never made a pizza on it, but I know that it's not gonna cook it that well. The toppings. It's going to heat up, it's going to melt the cheese, it's going to cook the bottom of the bread, but it's just for mushrooms and that, when you want them to cook better, you might as well brown them up and cook them ahead of time. Way better. Okay, so let's get on. Let's cook those Spanish onions. Like I say, I cook these all ahead of time. So they're browned. Banana peppers. Gotta have banana peppers on your pizza. And again, guys, you can throw whatever you want on it. There's no right, there's no wrong. Throw some mushrooms on there. Now we'll put some crushed red pepper on there. We don't need a whole lot, but we'll throw some on there anyways, give her a little bit of extra kick. And we got some Italiano. Okay, so ready to throw her on the Blackstone. Here we go, guys. Ready for the Blackstone. Alright guys. Get this sucker off. There she is. Let's cut her up real quick there. Let's try this sucker out here. Wow. It was really good. Yeah, that was excellent. I encourage you guys to try it out at home. So simple. Just throw it together. You can't go wrong with pizza, really. Thanks for watching my video. Pinetree Line Productions, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Also our website, ptloutdoors.com. I want to say thank you to all the truck drivers out there. You guys are doing a hell of a job getting freight from all over the country. Half this stuff wouldn't be available unless it was for you guys. Anyways, take care guys. Thanks for watching the video.